Hello everyone and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. So if you regularly want to hear from us, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. So I am Charu and today we are going to talk about how we can fill our happiness jar. What is happiness jar? What am I talking about? What is this happiness jar? Any idea? What will we do with this happiness jar? What will we keep in the happiness jar? Yeah, so let me tell you what we are going to do with this jar of happiness. So everybody in their lives want to be very happy. The happiness is the ultimate goal. Reaching the happiness and maintaining it every day is the ultimate goal, right? So today I'm going to teach you how you can multiply your happiness so that you never run out of your happy emotion and you always have this happy smile on your face. So if you want to be happy throughout your life and you don't want to be dependent on other people for your happiness, then this video definitely is going to help you a lot, right? So it's going to help you reach your goal, right? So just stay tuned and watch the entire session because I'm going to tell you really great tried and tested tips and tricks that are really going to keep you very happy throughout your life, right? So the first thing is find happiness within yourself, right? You have to find happiness within yourself, right? Don't depend on other people in order to validate you, in order to keep you happy. Just find validation inside. Validate yourself every morning. That should be your first dose of happiness. Next, moving on. So in this one, as I already told you, we are going to talk about what happiness is and what are the ingredients that you can put in your jar of happiness. Yes, so you must be wondering, when ma'am told us that happiness can be found within, then what kind of happiness jar are we going to create? But my dear viewers, let me tell you that if you create a jar of happiness, you can actually fill it with the things that keep you happy so that you have that aura in your room. Can you see my little jar of happiness? I have decorated it with ribbons, I have put little gems inside, and I have also put some gratitude notes inside. So starting with this happiness jar, let me tell you how you can create yours. Ready for it? Just see this now. So first thing is choose any jar. Okay, it can be a glass jar, a mason jar that can be easily found in your room. And even if you don't have any, don't you worry, you can create one out of a cardboard, right? You can take a glass bottle, that will do too, right? It's just that you have to have a jar in which you can put your happy things and decorate it. And then you can just put a ribbon, you can write on it, my jar of joy, you can put stars, you can do anything. You can put stickers on it, you can put ribbons just like I have put over here. You can put sticky notes everywhere, right? You can use glitter tubes to decorate it, and you are very creative already. So you know how you want your happiness jar to look like. Remember, it is uniquely yours. So decide what is going to give you that eye treat whenever you look at your jar, right? So decide that yourself. Okay, then next, what should we put into the jar of happiness? Happiness means different things to different people, right? For me, happiness can be being with my pet. For you, happiness can be reading a book. For you, happiness can be sitting in a garden. For you, happiness can be watering the plants, right? For others, happiness can be looking at the things of beauty to find little joy, right? So yes, over here, happiness is uniquely yours. So you have to decide what makes you happy. But I can still tell you a few things that should work for everyone. Number one is you have to choose the right people. You should not count your riches in money. Rather, you should count your riches in the right people, in the people you love, right? So choosing right people is very important. The people who uplift you, the people who make you feel great about yourself, not the people who find company in misery, right? So don't choose miserable people, don't choose toxic people, let go of them, okay? Let go of all the toxic people from your life, the people who always criticize you, the people who argue with you, the people who never motivate you. They are not your friends. Let go of them and choose the right people. Keep your inner circle of 5. I talked about it in the previous video as well, right? In charismatic personality. And if you haven't watched that video, go and watch that. You can find some tricks that can help you become a charismatic personality, right? So choosing the right people is very, very important, right? So even researchers have shown that there is a direct relationship between your happiness and the kind of people you have around you, right? So choose the right people. Next, get on a call with your friends. Oh, wow. Great! That happened with you? Oh, come on. It happened with me as well. So get on a call with your friends and tell them how your day went, what you did, and ask them about their day as well. Don't keep talking about yourself. Talk to them about their day as well. Talk to them about their life as well, right? They will also feel special when you do those things, right? So get on a call with your friends and just spend some time talking to them. This is definitely going to release happy hormones in your body, right? Moving on, play with your pet and feed the stray animals. Yes, all the street animals that you find outside your homes, right? So you can go and feed those stray animals. Happiness is always in being useful to other people. So whenever you are useful to other animals, other people, whenever you are able to give your bit into the world, the happiness of that cannot be unmatched. That is unmatched, I mean, okay? The happiness is unmatched when you do those things, right? So play with your pet, right? Whenever you play with your pet, some happiness is generated. It's a different kind of satisfaction, right? So you should always play with your pet, cuddle the pet, talk to it in loving tone, right? Play with it, take it for a round, right? So you will feel definitely happy. Okay, moving on, find your happy place. Right? What is your happy place? Where do you find happiness? Where do you belong? What is your true calling? Right? It can be a goal, it can be a hobby. Your hobby can be a happy place, or it can actually be a place. Okay? Like for an example, it can be a garden. If you feel that garden gives you happiness, being around nature gives you happiness, what's stopping you then? Go sit in nature. Spend some time with plants, right? Absorb their green, positive energy, okay? If you think that books give you happiness, what's stopping you? Go access the library. Sit in a library, be surrounded by a lot of knowledge, and read your favorite book, right? And if you think your happy place is your bedroom, then please be in your bedroom. Okay, what's stopping you? Nothing is stopping you. So be in your bedroom, right? Just lie down on the bed. Look at the ceiling, do nothing. That also can be happiness sometimes. Not always, but yeah, definitely sometimes. We have to give ourselves some rest. And what better place than a bedroom and our favorite comfortable bed? Okay, so next is develop your happiness muscle. Yes, so if you want to be up and about, if you want to feel energetic from morning to evening, so you should definitely take some time out for exercising. Never underestimate the power of some exercise. Take a walk, do cycling, whatever suits you. Do some Zumba, right? Do some dance moves, right? Anything that makes you happy. It's uniquely yours, as I told you. So please find whatever makes you happy and use it to create your happiness muscle, right? So that way your happiness will multiply in heaps and bounds. Okay, and next, happiness is in small things. Very true. How many of you agree? I completely agree that happiness is in small things. It's not that you have to go and buy an iPhone. It's not that you have to go outside and buy a PlayStation for yourself, or buy a new car, or buy a new house. No. It can also be found in simple things, very little things, the things that we do in our day-to-day life. It may be just found in reading our favorite book, relishing a cup of tea or coffee. Just sit outside in your balcony, in your veranda, right? You just keep your feet on a table and just relish a cup of tea or coffee. Read the morning newspaper. Dance in the rain. Do nothing. Right? So just find happiness in all these small things, and trust me, you are going to feel a different level of satisfaction when you make happiness your priority. Right? Don't find it in big things. Don't feel that I have not talked to that person, so I'm not going to be happy today. Don't feel that I've not done that in order to be happy. Right? That person has not made me happy. That person has done that to me. No, don't think of all those things. Let go of all the negative thoughts. Okay, detoxify yourself, detoxify your brain, detoxify your body, exercise, read your favorite book. Okay, just relish your cup of coffee or tea, dance in the rain, do anything that suits you. Okay, and then feel happiness. How do you feel happiness? You listen to your favorite song, right? The kind of songs we listen to depend, depend on our mood, and the kind of songs we listen to, they also build our mood, right? So choose songs that really make you happy, right? Taste your comfort food. Yeah, what is comfort food? It's not always necessary to go have a pizza or to have junk food all the time, right? It's very important to eat all the nutrients, so that can be your comfort food. It can also be dal and chapati, right? So taste your comfort food. Smell a scented candle on nature. The smell of nature is amazing, right? Because it's beautiful, it's full of positive energy. Smell, okay, just feel the nature, right? Smell a scented candle, okay? And then watch your favorite movie. Yeah, Netflix and chill. Right? Netflix and chill. Grab a tub of popcorn, switch on your favorite movie, and watch it for some time, right? Then hug your parents, hug your friends, hug your pets, and most importantly, hug yourself. You are your own best friend, right? And all the happiness, firstly, should be generated within you, right? So hug your parents, hug your friends, hug your pets, hug yourself, and tell yourself that you love yourself, right? And tell that you believe in yourself, and you should say that I am happiness, right? At the end, you should always tell yourself I am happiness, and this is how you can be a happy being, and your happiness is going to spread like rapid fire. It's going to spread like wildfire in other people as well, right? So from today, decide that you are going to be very happy, and you are going to consider happiness your priority, right? Make some goals for yourself, decide it, and do it. Yes, so here we come to the end of our session. I hope you really liked my tips and tricks. So if you really do, then don't forget to share it with your friends and your relatives, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye bye everyone. Take care.